Hello there, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to create a first-person controller by using Unity. So let's start by creating the ground by right-click here, then choose 3 object and cube, and let's scale it a little bit in the x-axis and in the z-axis. Now let's specify a color to the ground by click here and choose create material. Then double click to the material, right click and choose create, then material, and name it as a ground color. Let's rename this cube as the ground. Then hold this material and grab it to the ground. Now click to the ground and click this arrow and choose a color as this. Now let's specify a few objects in this environment. Here, click here and create a few cubes. By holding Ctrl and D, you can see here I created another cube. Ctrl C and Ctrl C. Then let's put a new positions to these cubes. Before that, let's move it in the y-axis a little bit down. Now choose this cube and put this cube here, and this one here, and this one here, and this one here. Now you can name these as objects, but we can leave it like this, it's okay. Now click in the right click, then choose 3 objects and use the capsule. The capsule is the player that we are going to put the camera inside and the script inside it. Let's move the ground a little bit down like this. Now this is okay. Move this down a little bit. Move this down a little bit. This one and this one. Now create empty and choose and name it as the player. Now put the capsule, and this is the player, the capsule is the player, put it inside the player. Now click in the main camera and put it inside the capsule. Now let's put a position to the camera as 0 in Y and 0 in Z. You can see it now, it's inside the player. Good. Now let's create the script. Go to the assets, then create a new folder and name it as a script. Then double click to the script and create a C# script and name it as FPS capital, then C capital FPS controller. It should be the same like this to avoid facing a problem with the script. FPS controller like this. FPS C capital ONTROLLER. Then double click to the script. In the description of the video you will find the script, download it, and this is the script. Specify all the sentences here and right click, then choose copy. Then here click on Ctrl A, then right click and click paste to paste all the script here. Now press on Ctrl S to save the script. Now close the script and wait a little bit. Now go to the capsule that we assume this is a player, and here move down and choose add component. In the search on FPS controller. Click on it. Then here is the player camera. We should put the camera inside it. Main camera, grab it and put it inside player camera. Now let's try. Play and let's see. Here is the player, and I can move like this. You can specify the place of the camera by choosing the camera and move it a little bit up like this. And let's see. You can see the camera move a little bit up. And this is the lesson. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.